Hey guys, what's happened? Had to add a Mastercard gift card balance to your Amazon account. So go ahead and try to pin down Amazon Reload. You can see it. And you can see this product is overly picked. So we're gonna go ahead to this one. What we're gonna do, we're gonna recharge. Right? So get into the amount in USD, say 80. Right? And then hit buy now. Okay, and you're gonna see the options right here to pay, right, with your favorite payment method, obviously. Okay, you can add a gift card, promo code, or a voucher, and you can go ahead right here and add a gift card and all that stuff. But we want to add Mastercard gift card balance as a payment method, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and hit add new, and then hit add credit or debit card, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna add the Mastercard gift card account, and then continue to buy or recharge your Amazon, all that stuff. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course what I mean is recharge your Amazon account. See you in the next one.